The maker of collective destruction, choose to attend the devil's luncheon. See the woman as a body with one function, not open to discussion or any kind of trusting. Boil it down to substance. When we got nothing or something, awful, disgusting. The theory's been pussing and bleeding. Only worry about the hairline, receding, deceiving the masses. The Facebook status would read, here I am pleasing all these elite asses. Time to go too dynamic from the static. While the women walk miles to get water, and then leading all the sheep to the slaughter. Mother Earth is getting hotter, we forgot her, and now she's pissed and igniting her daughters. Who will lead you to a new kind of life fulfill? Help you take the path that's right, no kill. Nurture your feminine side, love you despite who made you cry and who let you die. We forgive you with a sigh, but please do not deny all the slaves that helped you build this, all the women that gave your kids a kiss. Bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. Bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. I'm not saying no man will lead. There are many in power that we need to be. Way show us to the light, show us they nurtured the feminine side. Cause something has not been right. You can feel it even if you ain't been paying no attention. It shows up in everything you mention. And feel you are an extension of what is real, of collective consciousness, invention. We plan this, now time for intention. How's that for indigestion? Now let me deal and make a suggestion to clean the wounds that have been festering. Forgive all who you won't mention and who you hate. Forgive the wrongdoers and the fakes. Send love to every soul from pole to pole, city to city, mother to son, and young to old. No need for pity, we are all one. Break out this mold, give out what you stole. Admit it when you lie. It's burying you inside, be willing to be wrong. Stop worrying about looking good, you don't have to be strong or hurrying to be what you think you should. You are whole, perfect, strong, powerful. Reflect that in the world and you will live long, loving, harmonious, and happy. It's stunning when all of us are sappy, full of passion and lacking greed, but still human, yet perfect indeed. But when we admit our downfall, suddenly we feel that we belong to a universal force that holds you up, keeps you on course with no remorse. I honor each of you for all your darkness and your light. And the integration can now begin this night. Bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down, bow down. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. This is it, bow down, you must quit right now. Bow down.
is our oyster, we skip by any barriers. Hard. And you know we armed with a fusion of all these arts for pursuing our only paths, and our youth is our only chance. We done grown up believing there's no love, so I'm stuck till my soul's up believing. Shout out to Kalashnikov for no fucking reason. We that all singing, all dancing in your face, no pardons. Listen mate, some new shit come to expand rapping. This is live music, jump on the bandwagon, let's go. Left or right is the question now, as we're figuring our direction now. But really we're just like you, so we're taking you for the ride too. You wanna roll, come through. You wanna roll, come through.
Some live on the riverbanks, and some live on the sea. Some run from the ranks of the hierarchy. Some live in four walls, and some live underground. Some search for freedom, and some search just to be found. Where we going? We don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're going.
Is anybody out there? We're proud without care. No doubt I shout cause the game don't sound fair. Round here, motherfuckers try and take your soul. When the shit goes down, kid, you better know your role. I remember when I had myself a studio at 18. 40 man rushed me trying to take my keys. Shout out to Styler for the other time he backed the beef. Do something positive and lose to the deceitful streets. What a shame, but it's so good, see me in my rays. Filling my days in the most insidious ways. I boast a brilliant brain, just made for killing this game. We're not losing this booth, all my feelings the same. Like, oh, which way to go, like a game of Monopoly. Real estate of mine, but the